Building a digital twin world doesn't have to be complex. The Share 5 series, spanning entry-level to flagship, delivers high-quality, efficient, and high-speed aerial surveying for diverse scenarios. Global debut with DJI M400. Fully compatible with M400's new platform, the Share 5 series enables plug-and-fly operation, rapid development, and stable performance across various carriers. Reliable imaging output on any compatible aircraft. From rural housing surveys to urban 3D modeling and large-scale digital twin projects, Share 5 series adopts seamlessly with its multi-tiered product lineup. Featuring a lightweight magnesium alloy body, Share 5 series performs reliably in harsh conditions. Share 5 series is more efficient in field work at 3 cm GSD and 25 meters per second flight speed with DJI M400. Share 5 series boosts daily coverage by 60 to 75% vs previous solutions. Redefining field efficiency standards. 5 nanometers flagship chip inside, more powerful, instant response. Compared with the previous one, the Share 5 series delivers superior modeling effects. Facing low light conditions, Share's high sensitivity, low noise image algorithms provide richer and clearer details and accurate shadow structure modeling at high ISO. In bright light areas, it resolves uneven metering overexposure, preventing modeling bright spots and color blocks. In large continuous areas, such as mines and cities, multi-flight mapping enhances color consistency. Additionally, with Pioneer's 5-way real-time HD unified image transmission, new multi-interface and communication protocol support for drone coordination and data transfer, unlocks more camera parameters adjustments for any surveying environment. 2 TB rugged SSD ensures mission-grade data control and blazing 1 GB per second transfer speeds. Share 5 series powers every flight with efficiency, precision, and reliability. Powering every flight in the era of 3D reality capture, efficient firework, superior modeling. Share 5 series, redefining aerial surveying.